Hello, everybody. I'm Narendra Kumar. I'm another team members of the coordinating committee of SAHES, Society for the Advancement of Holistic Education in Society, and I welcome you today to Monday, our Monday summer camp. Monday we are having Monday, as we already told in the earlier video. On Monday we are having Master English through listening. So anybody would knows, and you look at a child. Uh, he learns a language by listening. So we want to give an initiation, kind of initiate the process of what happens when you listen to a story. How do you listen to a story? So what we are giving in terms of our program every Monday is we are giving a video which we have selected carefully on a story with subtitles and goes slow and beautifully. And we have also selected a world-class song. So now I'd like to talk about how do you listen to a story. Now people say, how to listen to a story? Listen to the story. Yeah, that is true. But the point is, when you listen to a story and properly listen to the words, so one thing is you should listen in attention. And normally what happens is, when we listen, we are in a mode of like, now I'm going to switch off. So I'm seriously suggesting in this video, the only way to listen, it's a very funny statement, is to listen. If you can focus, keep the focus on and listen till the end of a 5-minute video of a song or a story, something very interesting happens, especially when you're also reading every word. This might sound like a very simple thing which I'm suggesting. You will say, anybody will do that. No, they don't do that. As an educator for 20 years, I know people don't listen. They don't listen to the song, to the story. When you listen to the story, you listen with the high focus. Like how you listen, how people listen. Like a musician, you should listen to a story. You should listen to the voice, the feeling, the words. And if you get any new word, you should listen to it again and get the word's meaning. Many a times we listen to the words superficially and we don't have that mindset to know the meaning. What is wrong in knowing a meaning? Because if you know the meaning of a word, that will be that much more power coming to you. Listening and reading are great powers. And in this video, we are combining listening with reading, subtitles. So you can listen to it 2 or 3 times of a story. Now, any story, any great story has an inherent theme and a feeling and everything. So what happens when you listen with high focus and attention is, and deep silence is, we get that whole message of the story not as something to be answered as a questions and answers or anything like that. We take in the whole thing. There's nothing like testing after that. The feeling of a story, the whole feeling of that whole story is the lesson. Is the lesson. That is what I'm trying to suggest to you now. Now when you go and see the story we have put up, please listen to the story with that high focus. It's like a meditation really. Take in the whole story and you will see and experience that story in a way which no words can convey. If I could convey in words, then there's no need for the story. Okay, so I hope you have listened to even what I have said. Listen is the way to listen. Now we come to how to listen to a song. So obviously, the principles of the listening to a story applies to a song also, obviously. And people would be wondering what is there to learn about how to listen to a song. No, there is something which I feel is missing when people listen to a song. When they listen, they don't listen again wholly. So one simple exercise you can make is, we'll be putting the subtitles also along with the song. We have given you the text also. So when you listen to the lyrics, you will get the complete integration of words and feeling. It's like very magical. You know, when you listen to a song, and Hindi song or a Telugu song or an English song or any song in any Bengali song, any song in any language, Spanish song, first thing you have to listen to is the rag, the melody of it. There is a melody going on and it is pretty magical. And if you also add words to it, and usually a great classic songs, the words and the melody deeply match. That's the genius of the classic song, which is inherent in the song. When they deeply match, the language you get after listening to hundreds of such songs is something, I mean, like, it's like you become a profound listener, not just a good listener. You can listen to people then. You can listen to their heartbeat. You know? So this course is about English listening. When somebody is talking in English, how much are you listening? The Buddha says, listen, and you'll be knowing everything. See, and you'll know what to do. So we are trying to do something like that. All good English teachers, passionate English teachers know, language teachers know, this is the way a poem has to be read. This is the way a story has to be heard or read out. This is the way a novel has to be read. You should read novels. So what's the purpose? We can't do much with the 6 videos, right? No, we can. This 6 summer camp Monday videos on English listening, song and story is to give some taste to at least even one person understands what we're doing and finds passion and falls in love with listening of stories and songs. Our work will be done. So that's a small, simple goal we have. What we feel we are sharing. I'm sure it will touch quite a number of people, most of the people actually. There's nobody in the world who doesn't like stories and songs. And there's no age to listening to stories and songs. And all these stories are beautifully selected. Songs are all world-class songs. They're legendary songs. If they've survived the test of time, they are the greatest songs. But a great song is there, we have to reach there. That process is what we would like you to go through. I'd like you to remember these ways. And how do you do it? Keep a high focus. Keep a high focus. Listen to every word. Listen as much as possible. Listen again and again and again. Don't say it's boring. Don't just say it's boring too fast. There must be something there. If it's boring, how did it become a legendary song? All the legendary things are not boring. In fact, they became legendary because there is something profoundly thrilling in it. That discovery we'd like you to make, and after the 6 weeks, you become so addicted to stories and songs, hopefully, that you listen to it all your life and discover the whole big world of great stories and great songs. Okay, so that's a simple aim. We're just trying. I told you, SAHES, Society for the Advancement of Holistic Education Society, is about striving, about sharing, about even discontent, not being happy with everything, trying something new. This is a small attempt. Thank you so much. We'll sign out now, and happy listening to the story and the song we have put here now. We'd also like to tell you that we are giving a feedback form in which you can fill the details of your name, email ID, WhatsApp number, and you can also give your suggestions, feedback, what you felt, what you would like. If some of you want something, like why don't you, suggestions, what you are looking for, definitely we'll try to satisfy it if you can. So please look at the feedback form, fill it and send it to us. We will reply to every feedback form we get. Thank you so much.